Good morning, guys. So I actually made the pumpkin spice coffee last night, and I refrigerated 2 of them for me and my husband. I am grabbing some ice right now just to go ahead and get them ready. You don't have to put it in the fridge overnight. I just did because I wanted it to be cold, and I don't like waiting for it to get cold once I do make it. So I went ahead and did that. Again, Starbucks one, pumpkin spice. And then I'm just going to apply sugar cream on top of that because my husband loves the extra sweet. I'm going to put in additional sugar other than double cream. And then I'm putting a teeny tiny bit of cinnamon. This is legit pumpkin cream, whatever. I'm tired. I haven't had coffee yet, so obviously I don't know what I'm talking about, but I know it's good, so putting through that, right? All right, let's get this takeaway. Is it weird that I love the fall, but hate when it starts getting cold? It's like 64, and I'm like, I hate this. But then again, I'm so ready. No sé. Coffee has a hummus or something.
Grow with me or grow with you. Learning things I didn't know in youth. These rough rides turn out so smooth. When I'm going through these same things with you.
Alright guys, so I am back home. We actually ended up going to guess where? Just guess. Goodwill and Dollar Tree. So I did pick up a couple of things for, you know, the DIYs I'm doing. And then I also did get my orders from Amazon, which I'll just quickly show you. I'm not really going to show you kind of like really like a haul, just because I know that that could be a little bit boring and repetitive, and that's kind of all I've been doing lately. So let me go ahead and show you new. Alright, so at Goodwill, I actually picked up these guys. They're brand new. They're shadow boxes. And I got 2 of the bigger ones. And then I got 1 of the smaller ones. I think I'm going to actually get lights for around there and write like bar room or like dungeon for certain rooms in the basement. And then that, I have no idea. Then I also got those. They're actually new and they're from IKEA. I have no idea what I'm doing with them, but they were $3.99, so I got them. Then I got that cute little pumpkin that I'm going to paint, and he does light up. Then I got that little pumpkin as well, which I haven't decided if I'm going to paint yet. Kind of like the way it looks, but I want to put a candle in that. Hopefully the Bath & Body Works ones actually fit. Those are DIYs you guys know I've been doing. And then I got markers. I got the paint markers from Amazon. I also got E600 from Amazon. And I got some iron strings, which are basically the same ones that these come with. And then I got 2 more black acrylic paint, and I also got an orange one. I got these guys at Dollar Tree, and the reason I actually purchased these is because I want to change the color, and I love that it has the eyelashes since I'm doing lashes now. So I thought that was very cute. And then I actually got from Wayfair this guy right here. I'm going to make sure my address isn't anywhere. But I got this guy. You guys will be able to see it later. I just want to put my skincare products in that. And then I also got this one, these little wooden things for crafting. And then at Dollar Tree, I also picked up some letters to go ahead and word things. I'm out of breath. I got some kids' shoelaces, again, just to wrap around stuff. I got 2 like the display little thingies. I got some stuff for painting, so I could write stuff on it. I think, you know, putting these on for the bathroom. And then I also got these sponges to paint and some more paint brushes. So I was able to do a couple things with the bathroom, nothing too crazy. But I did a little sentence, wash your hands, or get cooties. I also got, please seat yourself. And then I also did a nice I may put them on the walls here, but I kind of want to do reading material because I know when you're in the bathroom, you want to be distracted, right? So I thought it would be cute to do like reading material, or I may ask my husband if he wants to do comic books. So I sort of finished one of the frames you saw in the last clips, but I do want to put a little LED light in here so it kind of lights up. And then I did paint the other two. I painted those guys, and then I finally did the little sign, and this is Hocus Pocus. I feel like I'm taking forever to do these things. But I did organize some more makeup today. We weren't able to bring the big guy, so I wasn't able to organize still my makeup for other people, but yeah. So we kind of sort of finished our living room. We honestly just need to put the fireplace, which is not a priority until I would say mid-November-ish, just because I don't really necessarily want it done until it's pretty much the rest of the house is done. And then of course putting our TV up. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like now. Alright, so we got the sofas from Bob's Furniture. So I got I'll put the name of it on the screen. And it comes with 2 chairs. It did come with 4 pillows. And those 3 middle ones I actually got from Target. And then that is what it looks like. And then the curtains I actually got from Amazon. Absolutely love them. They're the same style as my ones in my makeup room and our bedroom. And then I did get a little throw pillow that matches it. And then I know I'm going to get a glare because I always get a glare. Yep, right there. So then I went ahead and just, I have a candle on. I did get that from Goodwill and I painted it. I don't know if you guys saw that in the video. Sam, I just bought that. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus from Walgreens. And then I don't know if I showed you guys that, but I actually made that. That bottom thing right there is from Dollar Spot, from Target, and then those things up there are all from Dollar Tree. And then this is where our TV is actually going to go. That thing right there that's across is from Target. So that cute little thing right there is from Amazon. That is from, I want to say Dollar Store or Target from a while back. But then of course our TV is gonna go right there, and that is from Target as well. That I don't know if that's actually gonna stay there, but that is just the overview of my living room currently. When Christmas comes around, I'm actually taking that one out. It's going into our guest room, and that is where the Christmas tree will be going. And then let me go kind of the other way. And again, when you walk in, that's the first thing you'll see, and that's where the fireplace is going to go. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to end the video here. I'm actually about to put on my Gingerbread Man liquid lipstick. We're about to go to the movies to watch Joker, and I've been awake since 6 o'clock in the morning. And I'm just trying to a little bit kind of fix myself since we're gonna go to the movies, so I want to look a little bit presentable. But I really hope you guys enjoy these vlogs. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Ciao.
Where is